Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this makeup look by following the steps which Huda Kattan does. Here I have used all drugstore products. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before that, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. At first, I am applying Colorbar primer. These days, Huda uses liquid highlighter before applying her makeup. As I have textured skin, so I am using primer instead of liquid highlighter. Then I am applying Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 120 Warm Nude. It is said that it is the dupe of Huda Beauty's 4 Filter Foundation. Like Huda, I am blending out this foundation with a brush. It is a full coverage foundation and its finish is completely matte. Huda always prefers heavy duty contouring. Here I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Mocha for contouring. Though I don't like heavily contoured face, I am doing this here as I am following her steps. With the help of a brush, I will blend out my contour. Now I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light or Medium Beige on the center portion of my face to brighten up that area. With the help of a damp sponge, I will blend out my concealer. I am also applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my lids. Now I am using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium wherever I have applied concealer. Huda always bakes her under eye area, but my under eye area is extremely dry, so I won't go for baking. Now I am taking this bronzing shade from the Wet n Wild Contour palette in the shade Caramel to intensify my contour more. I will also apply the bronzer along my jawline. Now I am using the coral shade blush from the brand Nelf USA and applying it on the apple of my cheeks. Now I am applying Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold on the high points of my face to add some glow. Huda has quite fuller brows. I am using Miss Claire Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown to fill in my brows. I am using this pulley brush to soften out any harsh line. Now I am using this Miss Claire Clear Mascara on my brows to set it and create a feathery effect like her. Huda's Eyes main eyeshadow, wing eyeliner and falsies. To create this, at first I am taking this light brown eyeshadow from the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and blending it along my crease. Then I am taking this orange eyeshadow and again blending it along my crease to intensify the color. Then I am taking this light coral eyeshadow from the same palette and applying it all over my lid with a flat brush. After that, I am taking the dark brown eyeshadow and applying it just at the outer V portion of my eye. Now I am taking the Maybelline pen eyeliner to create the wing of my winged eyeliner. After that, I am using Faces Magneteyes Kajal along my upper lash line to join the wing. I made a video before regarding the easiest way of perfect wing eyeliner. I will give the link in the description box. You can check that video from there. Now I am taking this orange eyeshadow again and applying it along my lower lash line. We can't imagine Huda without false lashes, so I am also applying it to give my eyes more dramatic effect. Now I am applying Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara on my upper lashes to mix my natural lashes with the falsies. Huda never applies mascara on her lower lashes, so I am also skipping this step. To achieve her red lips, I mix 2 shades of lipsticks. I will mention all the products I am using here in the description box below. Now I am applying this Maybelline metallic highlighter just at the center portion of my lips to create an illusion of fuller lips and to look more glamorous like her. I have natural curly hair, so So I just oiled my hair and made it wet to get this effect. So guys, this is my finished look. I really like this makeup on me. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care.